Hey yo, this is Hartford, Connecticut, February 9th, 2013, the day after the snowstorm. What you see here is a street. The street is buried in snow. It's real deep. Matter of fact, I'll show you how deep it is. Hold on. Here's the sidewalk. Here's the end of the sidewalk. Here's the street. The street is buried in snow. No cars coming by, nothing. They can't because too much snow on the ground. This is crazy. Stoplight is still working, but there's no cars coming by because too much snow on the ground. Seriously. Hey. Yeah. Man, this is crazy. You never saw anything like this before. Never. Snow. Huh? Yeah, all over. Yeah. South, West Coast, everywhere. Yeah. All right. Man, this is amazing. I'm on Marshall Street in Hartford, West End. This entire street is buried. Man, this is crazy. I'm headed towards Farmington Avenue. Like I said, the traffic lights are still working, but no cars can come through. What are you gonna do? Okay, we're at Farmington Avenue right now. It's clear. Got cars coming by. Yeah. This is Farmington Avenue right now. Farmington Avenue in Hartford. The street right here is clear. Right down there. That's Marshall Street. Right down there. The streets are clear up there. And that way. So the main street is clear, but the side streets, they're buried in snow, so it's been a while before they get this done. People got their cars buried in the snow, they can't get out. It's crazy. So that's how it is out here in Connecticut, New England. Everybody stay safe. Talk to you later. Okay. What I just saw here was the side street. South Marshall Street was blocked off. That's way at that intersection. That's like South Marshall Street. The ambulance trying to get by, it couldn't, so a bulldozer or something had to push the snow up so the ambulance could go to wherever it has to go. So it's crazy out here. Ambulances can't even get by because there's snow on the street. It's crazy. Here I am back again. Today's date, Sunday, February 10th, 2013, Hartford, Connecticut. 2 days after the snowstorm hit, we got hit very hard. As you can see, some people still got their cars buried under the snow. Other people dug their cars out. Going to take a walk down Marshall Street again. Here I am, walking down the driveway. Look at all that snow. Now here I am, coming down the driveway. I want to show y'all something. Check this out. The street is still buried under the snow. Check this out. The street is buried. Look at it. See this right here? One side of the street, the other side of the street. In the middle, the street buried in snow. This is crazy. Cars still can't come through. So much snow on the ground. Walking across the street on top of the snow. About to walk up Marshall Street. On this side, the sidewalk is clear, so I can walk easily this time. Yep, sidewalk here is clear, so walking down, this is Marshall Street, Hartford's West End. And here it is, the street. Look how high that snow is. That's like what? 3 feet, 2, 3 feet, whatever, but it's a lot of snow. Thick too. This is crazy. All this snow. Still haven't been cleared up yet. Head towards the corner, Farmington Avenue. I'm going to the stoplight. Yeah, whole lot of snow. Yeah, now see the cars going by. Farmington Avenue was cleared yesterday. I'm gonna show you something real quick.
You want to do it like this right here? No, because he has fucked me over.
Yeah, this is Farmington. Traffic's going now. Yep, traffic's going. Now, straight ahead, that's South Marshall Street. I said Marshall yesterday, but it's really South Marshall. This is South Marshall Street. Down here, this way, this is all Marshall Street. We come to the stoplight, past the stoplight, that's South Marshall Street. And yesterday, South Marshall Street was buried under the snow. I came here, I took a walk down here yesterday, like I showed y'all, and South Marshall was buried under the snow. Then I started walking down Farmington that way. Now Farmington Avenue was clear, traffic's going. When I came back this way, I noticed that an ambulance was trying to get by. An ambulance came this way, and then I saw a bulldozer come backed up here, and it pushed the snow back down South Marshall Street because I guess somebody needed help. There's an emergency going on, so ambulance had to get by. In order for it to get by, somebody needed a bulldozer to bulldoze all that snow out the way so the ambulance could go save somebody's life. So that's how crazy it was. Early this morning, traffic was coming down South Marshall Street again. So fortunately, they had bulldozers down here to push the snow back so the ambulance could get by. But yeah, it's like this all over. It says it's supposed to be another storm probably on Thursday and rain tomorrow, so I don't know. But it's still a big mess out here. But hey, that's how it is out here in Connecticut and New England, snowstorms and stuff. Now, yep, here's some cars coming down South Marshall Street. Like I said, yesterday it was buried under the snow. Now it's all clear, so people can come down now, drive down. Now they gotta clear Marshall Street up. Marshall Street is still buried under the snow. Farmington is good. South Marshall's good. Yeah, so people outside walking around. Yep. To yellow light turning red, but no cars coming down. It's crazy. Yep. That's it. Take care. Be safe. Hartford, Connecticut. Sunday, February 10th, 2013. 2 days after the storm. Everybody stay safe. All right. Today is Monday, February 11th, 2013, Hartford, Connecticut. 3 days after the snowstorm, or should I say blizzard. They call it Blizzard Charlotte. I'm on my way to work. Like I said, the past 2 days, the streets were buried under the snow. Now, they cleared it up. Here comes a snowplow. Yeah, got to open the street a little more wider because there was no room for all the cars to get by. Just a one-lane street now. So they're working on it, making progress. Right now it's raining. Got my umbrella, freezing rain right now. It's a mess out here. It's been a mess for a while. All this snow. So, hey, we're getting along. Pardon me. Yeah. Now you can see the street. Before you couldn't see it at all. All the snow piled up. Again, this is Marshall Street, Hartford's West End. Slippery out here too, so I gotta be very careful. Alright, everybody, take care.